Hey there, fellow Earthlings. Bill Nye here, and today we're diving into a topic that's close to my heart, saving our planet one drop at a time. That's right, we're talking about water conservation. You know, water covers about 71% of the Earth's surface, but only a tiny fraction of that is actually fresh water that we can use. Now you might be thinking, Bill, what can I possibly do to make a difference? Well, my friend, you're in luck. Because today I'm going to share with you 10 simple yet incredibly effective ways to save water right in your own home. So get ready to learn how you can shrink your water footprint, help the environment, and maybe even save some money on your water bill. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about leaks. Those sneaky little drips and trickles can waste a tremendous amount of water over time. A single dripping faucet can waste thousands of gallons of water in a year. So, grab your detective hats, folks, and let's go on a leak hunt. Check your faucets, toilets, and pipes for any signs of leaks. Next up, let's talk about your water fixtures. I'm talking about your shower heads, faucets, and toilets. By upgrading to water-efficient fixtures, you can significantly reduce your water consumption without sacrificing performance. Low-flow shower heads and faucet aerators mix air with the water, creating a satisfying flow while using less water. And when it comes to toilets, consider switching to a dual flush model, which gives you the option of using less water for liquid waste. Alright, let's talk showers. We all love a nice long hot shower, but did you know that those steamy sessions can be major water wasters? Just by shortening your shower time by a few minutes, you can save gallons of water each day. Try setting a timer or listening to a couple of your favorite songs to keep track of your shower time. Turn off the tap. This next tip is so simple it might seem silly. How many times have you left the water running while brushing your teeth, washing your hands, or doing the dishes? Make it a habit to turn off the tap when you're not actively using the water. It's a small change that can save a surprising amount of water over time. Full loads only. Now let's talk about those water-guzzling appliances in your home, your dishwasher and washing machine. These helpful machines can make our lives easier, but they can also use a lot of water if we're not careful. The key here is to only run them when they're full. Wait until you have a full load to maximize water efficiency. Become a water recycler. Did you know that you can reuse water in your home? For example, instead of letting the water run down the drain while you're rinsing fruits and vegetables, collect it in a bowl or container. You can then use this water to water your plants or even flush your toilet. Let's step outside for a moment and talk about your landscaping. If you live in an area prone to droughts, choosing the right plants can make a big difference in your water usage. Opt for native and drought-tolerant plants that are adapted to your local climate. These plants require less water and can thrive even during dry spells. All right, folks, put down the hose and pick up a broom. You don't always need a powerful jet of water to clean your driveway, patio, or sidewalk. A simple broom can often do the trick just as well, and it doesn't waste a single drop of water. Now, I know we just talked about putting down the hose, but sometimes you just need to use one. When you do, make sure you have a shut-off nozzle attached to the end. This handy little device allows you to stop the flow of water at the nozzle, preventing unnecessary waste while you're moving around the garden or washing your car. Last but not least, let's talk about your lawn. Keeping it lush and green can require a lot of water. One simple way to reduce your lawn's thirst is to adjust your mower to a higher setting. Longer grass shades the soil, reducing evaporation and the need for frequent watering. There you have it, folks. 10 simple yet incredibly effective ways to save water and make a positive impact on our planet. Remember, every drop counts, and by making small changes in our daily lives, we can make a big difference. Thanks for watching. Keep those water-saving ideas flowing.